The screen is black. Then a grid appears. This is the 0 point. Every empire on Roblox, from Adopt Me to Blox Fruits, started exactly here. But the difference between a casual hobbyist and a serious developer is not just code. It is the architecture of value. To earn your first 10,000 Robux, you must stop playing the game and start engineering the economy. It begins by entering the engine. Roblox Studio initializes. The workspace is a vacuum waiting for structure. Before you place a single part, you need a blueprint. Your economy relies entirely on the core loop. What is the repetitive action? What do players desire to do faster, better, or with more style? This need is where revenue is born. You are not just building a map, you are building a system of demand. Open the Asset Manager. Your first asset is the Game Pass. This is a permanent upgrade, a VIP room, a speed coil, a cosmetic aura. But an image on a website means nothing without the logic. You must script the connection. You call the marketplace service. You write the process receipt function to handle the transaction. The server must verify the purchase and grant the ability instantly. Furthermore, you must ensure data persistence using Data Store Service. If a player buys an item, leaves, and returns to find it gone, you have lost a customer forever. Technical precision here is non-negotiable. Next, the store UI. It must be clean, intuitive, and psychological. You design clickable icons that react to the cursor, providing immediate visual feedback. Here you distinguish between Game Passes and developer products. While a Game Pass is a one-time purchase, developer products are consumables, ammo, currency, temporary boosts. These are your recurring revenue drivers. They solve immediate problems for the player. You are designing a friction-free path from desire to acquisition. Yet, not every earning requires a sale. Enter Premium Payouts. This is passive income generated simply by keeping Roblox Premium subscribers engaged in your world. The metric here is engagement time. The longer they stay, the more the algorithm pays. It incentivizes you to build a game that is fun, not just a cash grab. Now consider pricing psychology. You
This
are
sharp
finding the
upward
sweet
trend
spot.
clearly
A price
demonstrates
too
the
low
success of
signals low
Roblox
quality.
Premium,
Too
reaching
high
its peak
creates
growth
friction.
right here.
You use odd numbers, tiered options, and visual hierarchy to guide the decision. You want the player to feel they are getting a deal, not paying a tax. The system is built. Now, the launch. Your game is invisible in the ocean of the algorithm. You need a hook. Your thumbnail and icon are the most critical artistic assets you will create. They determine your click-through rate. You publish. The first players trickle in, you monitor the influx. Is the server lagging? Is the difficulty curve too steep? This is the stress test. Then it happens. The notification fires. Items sold. The dopamine hit is visceral, but the elite developer does not cash out. They reinvest. You take that first income and pour it into the ad manager, mastering the bidding system. You run sponsored experience ads to compound your traffic, turning one sale into 10. Diversify your portfolio. The economy exists outside your game too. Through user-generated content, you design clothing
10,000
templates and accessories. The template design process requires precision, mapping 2D textures to 3D meshes. You upload to the catalog, setting a price floor. Additionally, you can utilize affiliate marketing, integrating the catalog into your game to earn commissions on sales of assets you didn't even create. If the game slows down, utilize the Talent Hub. Sell your scripting or building skills for commissions. Freelancing builds your capital reserves and your reputation. You analyze your growth data, scaling your team to include modelers and community managers who keep your player base alive in group chats and Discord servers. Eventually, the counter ticks over, 10,000 Robux. This is not just a number, it is the threshold for the developer exchange, DevEx. This is the bridge where virtual currency transmutes into real-world income. You have mastered the engine, the psychology, and the market. The grid is no longer empty. it is an empire. Start creating.